Howdy y'all, welcome back to another trade recap. Today we're on a new kind of website. It's not a website, it's an app. We're on TradeLocker right now because as you can see down here, we have 100,000 on a demo funded account, but we actually do have a 100K funded account waiting for us to use. So what I'm doing is I am using a week free trial on a 100K account and seeing how I'm doing for the week, and then we'll see when I'm done with that if I want to switch over to the actual live demo account and try to pass that, or if I want to take it easy and keep trading demos. So we'll see. But today was on the demo account. We took shorts today, and we hit a nice 1 to 2 risk reward. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So going into today's bias on the 4-hour, I was bearish because right here we respected this 4-hour fair value gap, right, into market open, and market opens here and sweeps liquidity right here. So as soon as market opened, we sweep this high right here, and I'm like, perfect, we sweep this high. Now we could go into a lower time frame and wait for the retracement down, and that's what we did. So yeah, market opens right here, 9:30. We rip up, and then we rip back down. Voice crack. And I caught these shorts right here, some of these shorts. So let's go to the 5-minute. Okay. So right here, this little red line. We'll mark a new one. Down, up. Yeah. Okay. So right here, this red line, this is the break of structure that I wanted to see on the 5-minute in order to go into shorts. But as you can see, my entry was a little bit higher than the break of structure, and I'll show you why regarding the 1-minute time frame. But yeah, I at least wanted to get in when the candle closed at this red line, but because of the 1-minute, we got a way better entry, and I'll show that right now. Let's go to the 1-minute. Okay. So right here, we sweep liquidity, we come down, and we rally back up, sweeping more liquidity, right? So we got our high time frame liquidity sweep. Boom. Now we get a low time frame liquidity sweep, right? So that's even better. We have a 1-minute fair value gap right here, and it gets filled and drops with a 1-minute break of structure. Realistically, this entry right here looked really good to me, and I was trying to enter right here, having my stop above the fair value gap, targeting liquidity down here, because oh my god, that would have been so nice. But the reason I didn't want to get in right here when this happened is because if we go to the 5-minute, is this let's see, I need to pull this red line out right here. Okay, right here we did not end up the lowest low, the most recent low was right here on the 5-minute, and we were all the way up here. So I wanted to see a break of structure on the 5-minute, and just because we get a break of structure on the 1-minute isn't necessarily the safest, even though it did play out in today's trade. I've seen plenty of trades where we'll get a nice break of structure on the 1-minute after filling a 1-minute fair value gap, but then on the 5-minute, if we don't break structure, it'll just boom, rally up out of nowhere and stop all the people out. So I just like playing it a little bit more safe when it comes to the 5-minute time frame. So that's literally the only reason I didn't enter there. If we had a 5-minute break of structure and I saw this, I will always enter, and that's basically what I did today. So let's keep going down. So I see this happen. We get the break of structure on the 1-minute, and then we go lower, and I'm wondering if I missed a entry, but I'm just waiting. We consolidate right here, and eventually we form this bullish fair value gap right here that'll drag across. So right here, bullish fair value gap, and it gets invalidated. And as soon as a candle closes below it, right here, and we get the break of structure on the 1 minute, right here, we get a break of structure on the 1 minute, and we get the inverse fair value gap. Boom, it closed below, and then the other candle was starting to go down too. That's when I entered right here, setting my stop loss at this candle's high and setting my take profit at this low right here, which was, let's see, what low is this? I'm gonna mark this out in black on the 5 minute. Yeah, so this is actually really nice. I set my TP on the 5 minute low right here, and there was also a 1 minute fair value gap, but I wasn't worried about that at all, because if it wanted to fill that, it would have probably swept liquidity, then filled the gap. So that was a really smart placement on my end on that fair value gap there. But yeah, I mean, we had a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Super solid trade. Let me just scoot this over. What did I enter? Like right there. Okay. Yeah, that was a super solid trade. It went even lower, and let's see what the max like TP would have been. 1-to-7. Holy. I would have liked to do partials on this trade, but since I'm on a new platform, TradeLocker, it does have the trading view charts, but the way the system works over here is a little bit different than I'm used to. So I need to figure out how to do partials, but as of right now, I'm liking TradeLocker. It's a little different than futures, but I'm getting used to it. And yeah, we risked like 0.7 of our account, and then we obviously hit the 1-to-2. So we won like 1,700 today, and we risked like 800 or 750. So really solid risk management. We got like 5 more days on this account until the free trial ends, and then who knows, if I'm doing hot by then, I might just start the funded journey right there. But I'll let you guys know going into July. But hope you guys enjoyed. I'm done trading for the day, and yeah, we caught some nice shorts today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.